not really a car guy from the perspective that you normally think of it. I don't fawn over my vehicle and learn every stat and tweak things for visual effect or make decisions really based on beauty of the vehicle. For the most part, I see the vehicle as a tool. It's a means to an end. The end is getting me somewhere that I want to be. And as such, certain things I tend to not put much effort in. Waxing my vehicle is one of those things that I am notorious about not doing. So if I can find a way to maintain the quality of the paint without having to spend a lot of time on it, I'm in. The same unfortunately applies to my motorhome. Now, however, it being fiberglass and a bit more expensive, I do have to focus a little bit more on its maintenance. And so I recently purchased all these products in order to get the motorhome back in this top shape and protect it for another year. Literally within a week of me buying these products, Shine Armor reached out to me asking if I was interested in utilizing one of their products and doing a review of it. I was like, perfect timing. I gotta do this anyway for the motorhome, and my Jeep is desperately needing some attention, so why not? So I did a search on this product, and overall it had really good reviews, so I decided that I'd give it a go. Now, to be fair, my Jeep hasn't seen attention since I bought it in October of 2020. It's got 52,000 miles on it. It came with a coating called Permaplate, but other than that, I've done nothing to it. And it's starting to show. So Shine Armor makes all sorts of products, but I was only given the graphene ceramic coating to test. So I thoroughly washed the vehicle and then applied this coating. It goes on really easily. The instructions stated to spray the product directly into the towel and then wait a couple minutes and wipe it off with a second provided microfiber towel. Now, after you wipe it off, it's supposed to cure for 4 hours before being introduced to any elements. Now, I cheated. I went ahead and sprayed it with water immediately just to see what kind of difference that I was looking to make with it. And to be quite honest, it was pretty profound. As you can see on the side of the hood that I didn't do, it doesn't bead water at all. The side I did, it does really well. So I did quickly re-dry it and I reapplied it, since I decided I might have kind of messed it up by not letting it cure first and set over the evening. Now, in short, this stuff was really easy to put on and take off. It was like spraying on Windex. It was by far the easiest treatment I've ever done to a vehicle. And if these results hang in there, I could easily see using it about every 3 months to keep the protection strong. I mean, it's as easy as it is, why not? And then as you can tell, like, I didn't use a whole lot, so that was one treatment. So I mean, I could easily get 5 or 6 treatments from this one bottle. The bottle's 25 bucks, and you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so why not? Now, I don't know how long it's gonna last because I just applied it, but I will do a follow-up review of this product in a couple months and let you know. Right now, I'm very pleased with it, and the ease of installation was a big factor to me. And again, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so how can you go wrong? They did make me an affiliate of the product, so I want to disclose that. If you want to give this stuff a go, or if you've used it yourself and have your own critiques or raves about it, I'd love to hear about what you think about it in the comments below. I'm curious about the glass protection, so if anyone's used that, I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Anything that can keep bugs from sticking so much to my windshield would be a blessing. If you want to try it yourself, do me the favor and use the link provided in the description below, so it does help this channel a little bit. Anyway, I know we're all pressed for time these days, and this seems to be a way to save time and keep your Jeep or motorcycle protected. And for $25, again, for numerous applications, it's just really not a bad price. So that's it for now. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and again, ring the bell for notification of future videos. We got a lot of new cool stuff coming up. So until next time, as always, make life amazing.